Number 5. Which of the following equations represents a line that passes through the points 2, -1, and -4, 3? Now, to write an equation from 2 points, we're going to first find our slope. So label your points, x1, y1, x2, y2, and plug them into the slope formula. Slope formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In place of y2, we'll put 3. In place of y1, we'll put -1. In place of x2, put -4. In place of x1, put 2. Three minus a -1 is the same as 3 plus +1. So 3 plus 1, that's 4.
Why'd you get y?
-4
Okay.
minus 2, or plus a -2 if you want to write it that way, is -6. 4 over -6, that reduces to -2/3. So we have our slope. Now we can go to point slope, because we have a point and we have the slope, so we can go to point slope. Point slope, you'll remember, is y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. Y sub 1, that's -1, equals our m, that's -2/3, times x minus x sub 1, that's 2. Minus the -1 is plus the +1. And then we're going to get rid of our parentheses by distributing. Again, you'll notice our answer choices are all in standard form. So we've got to get it in standard form. That means no parentheses and no fractions. Now, after distributing, we'll have 4/3 here. It's -2 times -2 is +4, and then 3 times, if you want to write that as 1, 3 over 1 times 1 is 3. Now, what could we multiply by to get rid of our fractions, our denominators of 3? Multiply by the least common denominator.
Whoa.
So we're going to multiply both sides by 3. On the left side, 3 times y is 3y. 3 times 1 is 3. On the right side, distributing by 3. 3 times -2/3. That would be -6 over 3,
What?
or just -2. And then 3 times 4 over 3, that's 3 times 4, that's 12. Over 3, that's 4. Notice how now you don't have any fractions. That's what we wanted to have happen.
Wait, you only do it to the top number?
You don't ask questions yet. We're on the video.
Alright, subtract 3 from each side to get your constants together. So we got 3y equals -2x plus 1. Now to get our x's over there, we'll add 2x to each side. We're going to put our x's first because we want it in standard form. That's how all of our answer choices are. So what? 2x plus 3y equals 1. 2x plus 3y equals 1, so our answer is